Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install and configure Bdental. Bdental add-in is an open source project for navigation surgery, created by a team of doctors as a free add-on to the Blender 3D. To begin with, we need to download Blender 3.6 LTS version from the official website. The link will be attached in the Bdental Telegram channel. Visit the website here. Find the latest version 3.6. Download the Windows version, Windows Installer or Windows Portable. You also need to download the Bdental add-in zip file. The link will be attached in the Bdental Telegram channel. After installing Blender 3D, open a new session. The default Blender interface will be loaded as in the video. In the Edit tab, click Preferences. We find the Add-ons tab. Install. Navigate in the browser and select the Bdental add-in zip file. Install add-on. Next, we need to activate the add-in. To do this, click on the check mark Bdental3. Open the tab. Press the two buttons, Bdental as template and Bdental as default. OK. The Blender 3D will restart. To check for Bdental add-in updates, we need to go to Dental tab panel and press Check Update button. After that, the installation of the current version will take place. The update has passed. Press OK to install the latest update, or right mouse click to cancel. The Bdental add-in is updated. You can check the add-in version text in top. You can use Bdental add-in